You gotta send her some more. Hey, this is why her mouth is so little. It's Riley. Alright, Ruba's on the struggle bus.